Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this VRChat is lagging on your device. So if your VRChat game is lagging on your device, that means your device hardware components are not complicated that much with a VRChat game. So if you have don't have that expected components for that high graphics, that means you can actually face the lagging issue in the game or in the avatar selection creation or space creation or in the in-game activities. So if you are facing lagging issue, then you can simply click on ESC button at your keyboard. So make sure that you have enough knowledge about your PC components, then you can change it according to yourself. But if you have a high configuration on your PC that can actually run a game in a high resolution, that have the potentiality to run a game in high potential, high experience or high graphics, then it could be an in-game issue. So you must need to uninstall that game, this VRChat game. Then you have to reinstall it and make sure that all the files has been downloaded on your PC perfectly, and your C drive, let me show you, and your C drive is have enough space to run any program. So I prefer you to download it in a free space like your E drive or other drives like D drive, E drive, or any other drive, so you can get enough space from it. Now from here you can simply click on this button here at the top right corner and go to the graphics. Now you can try with this file, simply you can get this screen resolution. I prefer you to remain this screen resolution in all of these, like 1920 by 180 or 1920 by 190. So you can go with that screen resolution from here. So I have just changed it a little here, just like this. Now here you can find the quality preset. So this is where you can change the preset. So you can go with high, or you can choose the medium, or you can choose the low. After that you can actually play on the medium quality, then you can actually watch if it's lagging on your game. If it's not lagging, then you are good to go with this medium quality graphics quality, or if the problem or the issue persists, then you can go with the low quality. So that's how you can actually prevent the lagging issue on your this VRChat game. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.